Guys, today we come to the new video in the beginner tutorial, how to create the thumbnail in the YouTube. YouTube thumbnail is a very important thing in the YouTube because first impression is a viewer. You add image, text, and anything you first impression get from the YouTube thumbnail. Your thumbnail need to force the viewers to look to your video. One of the most important thing in the YouTube video is a thumbnail. YouTube have a thumbnail requirement, measurement requirements. 1280 by 720 is a minimum requirement of the thumbnail size. My suggestion is a best quality is a 920 by the 1080 is a pixel density. If not, once I did the thumbnail, you can see the black area in the top or bottom areas. Then I introduced the Canva software and will sculpt an online web page for the create these thumbnails. It's the best solution because it's have a Windows version, Mac version, and Android version. Then you can access the anyways, anywhere, any place, and any device. It's the easiest and quickest app I see in this situation. The thumbnail in the YouTube. Okay, let's go to video. Okay, we log in the Canva. Google search. Here is the Canva. Okay, we need to create the account or Google account. We can link. The home page is a Canva. You can see they are given us to so many templated. Everything, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, anything you can create the post in here. But we create the thumbnail in the new. You must here top right corner have a green color button, create a design. Okay, you click here, then come up and click the custom dimension. You must select the dimension. I recommend 1920 and 1080 is the best HD quality thumbnail. YouTube must need to minimum requirement. It's have 1280 and 720 pixel. We create this size pixel design sheet. Okay, then click the create design. Okay, here we go. Then this is our design sheet. Left hand side have our help materials. First is a template, second is a photo. They give us a photo, some samples, and elements. It's have shapes, frames, anything in the text, and so many texts are there. And music, small music parts if you can need to add. Okay, can we get this app? And video. Next one is a background. We can add the design sheet to background. Just the click, then it add to the design sheet. You can see. Finally, upload. This can be, you have any picture in the computer, you can select the path, then you can upload the Canva. This SkyDrive, you can upload this SkyDrive, then it can be get the design sheet. Just click the picture and you can resizing, moving, anything. Okay, then we create our YouTube thumbnail. Okay, I add the new picture to the design sheet. Okay, I go to update and click the update upload tab. Then I select the image. Okay, we select this. Okay, you can see the blue line is upload in the SkyDrive, the Canva. Once upload, you can click on the image. Okay, now complete. Okay, now enter the design sheet. you need to resizing and moving. You can don't think about the margins, you adjust your own. You so, okay, and I add the background. This is not the important. You if you need the background, then you add. And a special thing, you see top of the design sheet, it's have all editing parts. I show you. You see the color code. You can change the color. The background, I need to change the color ash. Okay, you see this is a editing tool column. Okay, then I add the shapes for the text. Okay, you see the design. It's a transparency. I add another shapes to the top of the design sheet. I change the color. You see the many editing options are there given us, and you can get the font. If you don't need to any part, you can delete it, and you can move to your location and delete, enter the font, and you can enter the your own details. Okay, quick and easy. I go to the editing tool, and let a spacing. You can edit anything in like a Photoshop. It's easy and free. Then you can access the anywhere, any place, any device. This okay, I add the main topic to the thumbnail. How to make YouTube thumbnail. Okay, I get another. You can resize font and move. Okay, get another one. Okay, YouTube custom thumbnail. And just alignments. Okay, now I finish the thumbnail. Okay, then we see how to save this. You see right hand side top corner have a publish, and down arrow key. Then you same point have downloading. I show you the public. The click down arrow the public, then come down the drop menu and click the download. Then you can see first you see definitely look the pixel density. It's okay. Okay, then you select the file type. The PNG is the best for the image. I select the PNG one. If you need to JPG, you can select the JPG, PDF, anything you can select and click the download. Okay, a few minutes, get the download. Okay, download complete. Okay, we see how it look like. Oh, and you can access your design sheet, the anything. Here is your, here's the my design, the previous design and the now new created one. Okay, I'll show you the how to installation in the Canva app and how to edit the phone. I used the S9 Android version. Okay, you go to the Play Store and you same process the Mac OS, Mac iOS store. You can install and search the Canva. Here is the Canva software. You can see 50 million download and 20 million reviews. Their rating is a 4.7. It's the best app in the editing logo and anything. Okay, we download this app and open. Okay, we open app, the same structure as a web page. We click the plus mark, then select the custom resizing. I select the 1920 and 1080. Okay, press right mark, and here is the design sheet. You everything you have the below right bottom corner plus mark, then you select plus mark and get the you want. Okay, I get the image from my phone memory. Okay, I add the background, click plus mark and go to image. Okay, then I select the filter. Is this okay? Okay, I click the plus mark. You can see text, image, everything you need to come to the click the first mark. Then I get the shapes. Okay, I put here and resizing and angling. Okay, I need to and change color. You see the three dot mark in the top corner. You click the three dot, then you come out the editing tool. You see transparency is there. Okay, I click this and I reduce the volume of the color. Okay, then I every time need to add font. Okay, I change the color. And I get another shapes. And put the top corner. Need to add font. If you don't need to any part of text box, you can delete it and use the you want. And you see round mark. Okay, you see my arrow mark. You click here, then drop down menu comes. Okay, same as the web. You down arrow mark, click the top right corner. Then go to save as. Then show the what type of, you can select the quality of the picture. Okay, then click download. Thank you for watching us. I recommended Canva for the YouTube thumbnail processing. This is easy because we can access the whole thing in the whole every place or every device. We can use the Canva software. Thank you for watching us, and we meet in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.